Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Xt60 connectors are polarized 2-pin connectors designed for high-current LiPo battery use. They provide a secure plug for positive and negative terminals during flight. Use 12 to 18 AWG wire depending on current draw for reliable performance. Prepare wires by stripping 6 to 7 millimeters of insulation. Tin the exposed copper with solder before joining to the connector pins. Maintain a soldering iron temperature near 350 degrees C for fast wetting without. Strip 6 to 7 millimeters of insulation from each wire and twist the copper strands tightly. Slide a 3/5-inch piece of heat shrink onto each cable before soldering the joints. Tin both the wires and the Xt60 pins with solder to create shiny, wetted surfaces. Hold the soldering iron on the joint briefly while feeding solder for a clean fillet connection. Avoid excessive solder that can bridge polarity or obstruct the housing. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep hands steady during the solder process. After soldering, visually verify polarity and joint quality before insulating the connections. Slide each 3/5-inch heat shrink over the soldered joint and apply heat until it shrinks snugly. Use a heat gun with even motion to avoid overheating the connector housing or wire insulation. Test continuity and correct polarity with a multimeter set to low resistance before applying battery power. Perform a firm pull test on each wire to confirm mechanical strength. Store or mount the assembled Xt60 connector away from sharp edges and moving parts for safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.